Hello everyone, welcome in this video tutorial on installation of crystallographic softwares like WinGX, ORTEP3, Mercury, SHELX, programs and Platon. First of all, let's come to the WinGX software. This software can be downloaded from the following link, and this is the reference for this crystallographic software. WinGX is provided free of charge for academic, scientific, educational and non-commercial users, provided its use is acknowledged. A license is required and may be requested by using the following link. The next program ORTEP3 can be downloaded from this link, and this is the reference for the program. As WinGX and ORTEP3 for Windows require a license, you can submit a request to obtain the license and by return email and follow the instruction given in the email to install the license. And you can submit your license request at this link. The next program are Postscript and GSView. These programs are needed to draw the publication quality molecular graphics by using the ORTEP3 diagram. Platon for Windows can be downloaded from this link, and this is the reference for the program. The next molecular graphic program is Diamond, and I am using the version 2.1. This program can be downloaded from this link, and this is the reference for the program. The last molecular drawing software is Mercury, and I am using the version 2022.1.0, and this program can be downloaded from this web link. So okay, now comes to the installation part. First go to the web page of WinGX program, and now there is tab for the license button, and there is also a tab for the download option. Just click here and you will find the WinGX, ORTEP and Platon. These three software can be downloaded from these three links. The Diamond crystallographic program or molecular drawing program can be downloaded from crystallimpact.com/diamond, and the Mercury program can be downloaded from this link. For this you have to register yourself first, and then you can download the program. Since I am already registered, I am just going to sign in, and here I type my username or email and then just password. And now there is option to download the Mercury. Just click here, download Mercury, and you will find a number of options. The last one is Mercury incorporating in Cipher. Just click I agree. Okay, so just click close here, and now there is option Mercury 2022.1 for Windows. Just go to download this software, download, and there is a license agreement, agree and download, and now it will start the downloading here. Here you can see the download. So after the download is completed, you can install the Mercury program in your computer. So it's downloading. It takes some time, and then when download is finished, you can copy this installer into another folder. It will take some time, 16 seconds, 15 seconds. This is installer. Will take few more seconds, and it will be downloaded. Now you can see it is almost done. Yes, now the program is completely downloaded. Now you can install it. Just copy this installer into another directory. Okay, so I am just closing this window, and now I have the program here. Now I have copied all the program here. The Diamond 2, GSU and GhostGum, Mercury, here the installer, and then ORTEP, Platon, SHELX program, SERP program, WinGX, and there are some environment variables. These environment variables are required to install the programs. So first I am going to install the program WinGX. Here is the license, and there are a number of versions of the WinGX. Let's install the very first one option, WinGX version 1.80.05. There is license, and this is your setup file. Just double click on the setup file. A window will pop up, and it will ask whether you want to continue. Yes, I am going to continue, and then again say yes, and it will install the program. Just accept the agreement, go to next, then it will ask for the directory. You can change the directory from this browse button, or you can go to the default directory C, go to next, then yes, I want to create a desktop icon, then go to next, then go to install, and then go to next. There are two options, view readme text and launch WinGX. I am just clicking the button finish, and now this is readme. Just close this window, and it is asking for some environment variable. What are these environment variables? Let's see. Just press OK. So first what you have to do, just use this license. This is a license file. You can see this will be by name. So when you got the license, it will look like this. This is your license file. Okay, so this license file, first copy this license file and paste into a directory where you install the WinGX. Since you have installed the WinGX in C, just go here, and there is program WinGX. Just paste your license here in WinGX. Okay. Then the next step is to set the environment variable. Just close this window, go to computer, just right click here, there is properties, and there is advanced system setting, and there is option environment variables. Now go to new, and here you can put the variable name and variable value. So where you find the variable name and variable value, there is a file. There are two variables for WinGX. First is WinGX dir. I'm just going to copy it and paste here. Copy just WinGX dir, and then C WinGX. Since I have put the WinGX in the C directory, so it is C WinGX. Just press OK. Then again go to the new and put the next variable PG font. Just copy and paste here. PG font. The value is C WinGX files grfont.dat. Put the values there and press OK. So these two environment variables are for the WinGX. But since we are going to install the ORTEP and the Platon also, so let's put the environment variable for Platon and ORTEP now along with the WinGX. Next for the ORTEP is ORTEP3 dir. Put new, put the value here, ORTEP3 dir, ORTEP3 dir. Next the value is WinGX ORTEP3v2. Just put the value here. Just press OK. Again go to new and put the last free variable for Platon. Check that. This variable is for Platon. So let's check def and then go to the value WinGX files check.def. Paste this value in the variable value. Now all the environment variable for the program WinGX, ORTEP3 and Platon are set. Press OK, then go to OK and OK. Now this file is over. So I will close it. Yes. Now you have installed WinGX. First step is install the WinGX. Then paste the license into the folder WinGX and then set the environment variable. Thereafter, just double click on this icon, but before that you can do one more thing. You need the SHELX program for the refinement. So there are SHELX program. So there are a number of SHELX programs, SHELX 2013, 17, 18, 2005 and SHELX 97. SHELX 97 is the, I think, most classical one. So just I am putting the SHELX 97. For this you have to copy these 8 files by pressing Ctrl C and now go to computer, go to C and go to WinGX. There is a folder name Win. Double click here and type or Ctrl V or paste the files here. Now you can see all the files are here. These files are needed for the structure solution and the refinement. Okay, just close it and now go to the WinGX icon. Just double click on it and a new window will appear and it will take some time. Some number will appear in this area and this tab will activate it after some time. So for meanwhile, I am going to pause the video and as soon as it will complete it, I will again restart the video. So now you can see the program is running and it will take some time. Sometime it may take 4 or 5 minutes or even 10 minutes. So don't be panic during this period. Yes, it's scrolling. It takes some 4 or 5 minutes. It's running. Now it's almost done. Few more seconds. Just wait. Yes, now it's done and the button close is activated now. Just press this button close and a new window will pop up. Okay, so now it will ask for some data. So where I have placed the data, I am going to search for a data on my computer. Just I am going to browse and there is maybe some data. So I have selected the data, the .ins file. I'm going to press OK and it's showing some error code. WinGX cannot read the SHELX signed file. Please let it be restart. OK. Now the program is started and a window like this will appear. So now you can go to the file and you come here and I have a data here. I am choosing the ins file from here. Let's press OK. Now I am going to here, this button, and now it will show some option: display hydrogen atom, display Q peaks, display isolated atoms, label hydrogen atom, show Q bond, and label Q peaks. These are certain options. Just I'm going to save INS file, and I'm going to refine here with SHELX 97, and a window with incorrect. Okay, there is some command. I'm just going to INS file. There are this. Let's remove them, and I'm just going to refine. Now I think everything will be fine. Yes, everything will be fine now. So this completes the installation of the WinGX. Just exit is yes, and if you want to start the program again, then just go to the icon and just click on it. A sound will appear and it will open the program. Just exit here. Now the next step is the installation of program ORTEP3. So first was the WinGX. It has 3 steps. First step, the installation of the setup. Then to copy and paste the license in the WinGX, and then to set the environment variable, and thereafter double click the icon. It will take 4 to 5 minutes and your program will be installed. Now the next program is ORTEP3. The ORTEP3 program, I am going to the folder ORTEP. So there are several options of the ORTEP. There are several new version and old version. I am just going to the version ORTEP3. There is option ORTEP3v2 setup, and there is PDF file. It tells the instruction about the ORTEP3v2 and then ORTEP3 license. So first, just double click on this setup program and it will install the program. Just press the button next, and then I want to put the ORTEP into the WinGX. So I am type C WinGX and ORTEP3v2. So there is WinGX in the C, and in the WinGX I am going to install the ORTEP3v2. Then next, it will ask for the new folder. Yes, I want to create. Then ORTEP3v2 the name. Next, and I want to create a desktop icon. Next, install, and then go to finish. It will install the program ORTEP3v2. The next step is again same, the ORTEP3 license. Just copy it and paste into the directory. Go to C, there is WinGX, and in WinGX we have ORTEP3v2. Paste your license here, ORTEP3 license. And the next step is your ORTEP program with application. Just choose this file and double click on this file. It will take another 2 to 3 minutes depending upon the speed of your computer. It is searching for the GS view. Since I have not installed the GS view, after this I am going to install the GS view and Postcom software to create the Postscript file for the ORTEP3. Let's wait for 1 to 2 minutes. Yes, now this window will appear. It means your installation is complete. Just press OK and a window will appear. This is for the ORTEP3. Okay, now just close it, and then now I am going to the next program, Platon. Just I am going to the Platon program. There are two Platon executable and Platon PWT. First, going to the Platon executable. It has two version 1 and 2. Just there is it doesn't matter which version you are going to install. Just I am going to version 1. And there are two files, Platon and SecDef. It is earlier version, but in the current version there is only one file named Platon. So you can either use the current version or you can use the previous version. Suppose I am going to use the previous version. I am just going to copy these two files and I am going to paste these files into the WinGX. There is WinGX. I'm going to win and press. Sorry, note this one. This is WinGX and this is win, and I'm going to paste these two files here. Control V. So these two files are here, ZF and the Platon. Now next come to the Platon TWP. This has set up and again two versions, earlier version this one and the latest version this one. So I'm going to install the earlier version. Just double click on it. Let's say yes. Again yes. And now go to next. Then it will install C again in the WinGX. So I am going to install in the WinGX C, WinGX and PW. I am installing all the program into the WinGX folder. Next, create a desktop icon. Next, and install. And it will next. It will finish the installation of the Platon. Okay. The next program is then Ghost View and Postgum. Just double click on the first program. Yes. And setup. Next. 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 And now I am going to install the program in C, WinGX, ORTEP3v2, 3v2. I am installing the Postgum in the ORTEP3v2, which is present in WinGX and which is also present in C. Next, next, so it will finish the program and a new window will appear like this. Just close it, exit. Now go to the Postscript, just double click it, say yes, setup. Again, I am using the same directory, C, WinGX, ORTEP3v2 and GS. Now I am going to install and it will install the program into the said directory. And this window will appear. Just close it and now all the program are installed. Okay. The next program is, I think there is SIR 2004. Yes, you can also install this program. Just double click it. Yes. Go to next. Then suppose I am going to install this program in WinGX. Next, next. Yes, I want to create desktop icon. Next and install. Yes, it will install the program. Just close it and now I think all the program are installed. Yes, we are left with Mercury. Go to Mercury, double click and it will start the installation. Say yes. Yes, it will take some time. Meanwhile, I am going to pause the video and I will start the video as soon as the program is installed. See in this WinGX, next, next, next. Now it will take some time. Meanwhile, I am going to pause the video and I will restart the video as soon as the program is installed. Now you can see the installation is over. Just press the button finish. Now installation is completed for all the programs. Just close all the windows. Now there is a icon Mercury. Just double click on it and it will open the window. Now a new window will appear. Exception, there are error messages. Okay, let's continue. Let's cancel it. Error. Okay, the error is still continuing. Okay, we will see it later. Okay, now come to the WinGX again. Just double click it. It will open up with a sound. Now go to this tab, blue tab, press it and it will open up plugin 1. In plugin 1 we have Postscript, so just click browse and now we have this in ORTEP3 too. There is Postgum, there is GS view and just select this second file, open, and then we have some other program, ORTEP. There is ORTEP in WinGX. There's this ORTEP file. Press open. It will open ORTEP. Then go to plugin 2. Here we have SHELX 2004. Go to WinGX. There is SHELX 2004. SHELX 2004. Select it. Open it. And then go to plugin 3. There are some options like Mercury. There is a Mercury in the WinGX. There is CCDC. There is Mercury. There is option for Mercury. Yes. Select it. Open it. Go to plugin 4. Okay. First exit it and then restart. And now you will find the WinGX. Now go to this ORTEP. Their window will appear like this. Go to file. There is option write Postscript file color. Okay. Now go to again this button. Press this one. Press OK. Now go to file. Open. And there is a directory C WinGX ORTEP3v2 and there is name file ORTEP Postscript file. Just open it and it will open your file here. Okay, so from here file, there are some orientation option, there is portrait, there is upside down, there is C space. Now you can copy this file and paste into the Word file. Suppose you want to take the photo in this orientation. Go to file, write Postscript file color. Go here, press OK. Open the file. Suppose you want a black and white photo. Just go to here, file, Postscript file like monochrome. Go here, press this button, OK, and go to this file, black and white. So this will complete all the installation like WinGX, ORTEP3 Mercury, Diamond. Yes, Diamond is left. So Diamond, what you have to do, just go to the directory. There is no need to install the Diamond. Just double click on it and there is icon application. Double click on it and a new window will appear and it will open the Diamond. Now you can open the file here. Either you can open an INS file or RES file or a zip file in the software. I will explain the molecular drawing of the molecule using the diamond, mercury and SHELX2 in my next video, and it will complete the installation of all the program. Hope it will help. Thanks for watching the video.